Welcome to Smart Digital Solutions Touchscreen Interactive Tutorial. In this presentation we will be going over the steps involved in creating a touchscreen interactive presentation. When we open BrightSign Connected, we are presented with the home page. From here we will choose the New Presentation option located at the upper right-hand side of the page. Once you have clicked on New Presentation, you will be presented with the first step of the presentation configuration. We can see on the left-hand side of the screen we have options for single zone or multi-zone. We will be using single zone for this tutorial. In the middle column we want to start by giving the presentation a name. The next option is asking where you would like to save your presentation. You can see that I've created a folder called Smart Digital Solutions. The Target Player option is asking you what player you would like to create your presentation for. The drop-down menu will list all current supported BrightSign models. For our tutorial, we will select the XT1144. Screen orientation refers to how the displays are mounted to the wall. Our options are landscape, portrait bottom on left and portrait bottom on right. We will be using landscape for our configuration. Once you have entered the required information, press the Start button. A new page opens showing the presentation layout. Now we will select the Content tab. This tab allows us to add our desired media to our presentation. On the left-hand side, we have our media browser. This section is asking us to find the content we would like to add to the presentation. Once we select our folder, we will see the bottom middle section populate with the content that resides within the folder you selected. On the right-hand side we have options for how we would like our content to be positioned on the screen. For the Smart Digital Solutions demo we will be selecting Scale to Fill. For this presentation we will also be switching from Simple Mode to Advanced Mode. This option is located in the middle upper right section. To add our content we simply drag and drop our files to the upper section. Next we will need to add our touch command to our content. Select the touch option from the upper command panel. Now we left-click and hold down our mouse button while dragging from one item to the next. We can release our mouse button once we have connected the two items. If we click on our touch icon located under our first image, we will see Set Touch Regions on the right-hand side. Pressing this option will open the Touch Region Zone setup. Move the highlighted area to where you would like the touch portion of your screen. When this step is completed, you can click on the Back button. Once we have added all our files, we will press the Save option and then the Publish option. The next page that opens is our scheduler. From here we can set our start and stop times for the presentation. By default, we will be presented with a 24/7 schedule. Once we have our start and stop times set, we will look to the left-hand side and select our player to publish our presentation to. Our final step is to press Publish. The player will now update to display our content. Smart Digital Solutions would like to thank you for taking the time to watch our tutorial and hope you found it informational. For more information regarding purchasing, training or installations, please call 516-771-5900 or visit us on the web at www.smartdigital.biz.